Let's try reordering and organizing fields in the form of our Creator application. First is to edit our chosen application. You can click on this edit option, or you can just open the application and then click the Edit this application option on the upper right corner of the screen. Now select the form that you wish to edit. Hover and then click Open Form Builder. You will then be redirected to the form builder. In here, you can just simply drag and drop fields to organize and reorder them. To reorder a field, you can change its position. It can be up, down, left, or right. You can also change the field size. Just navigate to the field properties. Look for the field size option. Select a field size and click Done to apply changes. Field sizes includes small, medium, large, and custom. The custom size is where you can manually decide the length of the field in pixels. Let's see the size difference of the small field size, the medium field size, the large field size, and the custom field size, which we set to 800 pixels. Let's click Done. And as you can see here, this is how long the small, the medium, the large, and our custom field size is. To organize the field, you can group them into sections. A section is like a container where you can add fields and put a label on the group of fields you have created. Just select Section under the special fields, drag and drop it on the form, and then type in the name of the section. And then drag and drop fields into the section. And click Done. And that's how you reorder and organize fields in a form in Zoho Creator. Let us try adding help text and field instructions in a form. First is we need to define what are help text and field instruction. In Zoho Creator, a help text is a text that appears right below the field, while a field instruction, also known as tooltip, is a text that appears when you hover over a field. It is as shown in the screen. Now, for us to be able to add this, we will first edit the application and open the form builder. Next is we will choose a field. Navigate to the field properties and find description. In here, we have the option to show no description, tooltip, or help text. Select the tooltip option and enter the message or description text you want to display. This is a tooltip. Click Done to save changes and click Access the application to view the tooltip. Let's hover over the field, and there it is. We have added our tooltip. Let us now try adding our help text. Following the same steps we made in adding the tooltip, click on Edit this application and open Form Builder. Select the field you wish to add your help text to, navigate to Field Properties, go to Description, and select Help Text. Enter the description, and done. Access this application, and now the help text is visible below the field. Let's try enabling and disabling field visibility based on user input in Zoho Creator. An example scenario where we will enable the visibility of hidden fields is when we only want to show a particular section or field whenever a particular value from a dropdown is selected. Just like the form we have here now, we need to hide this spouse information first and only show it when the selected civil status is married. For us to be able to implement that, we need to edit this application. Go to Workflow and create a workflow. Choose the form and select the record event. We will select the Creator Edited option so that the spouse information section will be hidden whenever we create a new record or edit an existing one. For the form event, we will select Field Rules, as our trigger is when civil status field is changed. Now enter the workflow name and click Create Workflow. Click Add New Action and then click on Run this action on condition. Select civil status equals married. The action will be Show Fields, and then select the field you want to unhide. Click Save, click Done, and let's test this application. As you can see, whenever we select the option married in the civil status drop-down field, the spouse information section is shown. While when we select single from the option, the spouse information is hidden. Next scenario is when we disable the visibility of fields. As you can see in this application, we have two types of address. We have billing and shipping address. We also have the decision box that asks the user whether the shipping address is the same as billing. For this scenario, we will hide the shipping address fields when the decision box is checked. Since we will be using the same workflow trigger and a different action, we can just update our already existing workflow from earlier. We will add a new action where the condition will be decision box equals true. The action will be hide fields, and then we will select the shipping address or the field that we will hide. Click Save, Done, and let's access this application. As you can see, whenever we check the decision box, the shipping address fields are hidden, and vice versa. Let's try using predefined choices with dropdown and radio fields in Zoho Creator. Dropdowns and radio fields have predefined choices that you can use anytime in order for you to save time from entering the most common choices used in multi-value fields. In order for you to use the predefined choices, just drag and drop a field onto the form and navigate to the field properties. In the choices section, click Advanced and select Import Predefined Choices. In here, you can select choices like gender, age, employment, and others. Select an option and click Done. Customize the choices to your liking. You can add more choices by clicking the plus icon, or remove an option by clicking on the minus option. You can also update the value by clicking on the rename icon. The same process goes with the radio fields. Drag and drop a radio field, navigate to the field properties, select Advanced in Choices, and click Import Predefined Choices. Click Done to save changes and access the application. You can now view the added drop-down and radio fields with predefined choices.